In my videos, when I mention, a certain brand name of something that I've purchased, those are items that I use personally, and those are items that I've purchased personally. And the same goes for all the components of my solar system, right down to the lead time batteries that I purchased. Well, another company watches my videos apparently, and they reached out to me, and they also make the LifePO4 batteries, and they asked me if I would consider doing an unboxing if they sent me a battery. I really don't have the knowledge or any way to test the battery like I've seen, people like Will Prowse do as far as cutting the things apart. But I told them I could do and would be willing to do an unboxing video, which is essentially what I did with the batteries that I purchased for my solar system. So let's get this open and we'll see what they sent me. Turn this around here, might make it a little easier. The company is called LiPULS, and I have seen their batteries on Amazon, and they seem to have the exact same specifications and characteristics of the batteries that I originally purchased for my solar system. Now, I did do a little bit of comparison shopping between the LiPULS batteries and others that I've seen on Amazon, and so far they seem to be the lowest price and have all the same or comparable features. One of the things that LiPULS did ask me to do was to include a link to their website in the video description, which I will do. And if you click on that link, the first thing that's going to pop up is a window asking you to input your email address, and that's just so that they can send you other information and specials and things like that. But the main thing is the prices not only seem to be really low, but on top of that, when you sign up, you get an extra 10% off the already low price. That seems like a pretty good deal. And I just want to point out, that's not an affiliate link. That's just a link to their website. Okay, now as far as the unboxing, you can see they include literature in this zippered plastic bag. I love those bags. They're nice and sturdy. They keep everything together nice and neat. It's got the typical information inside. And I'm going to place some graphics on the screen with each of these, just so that you can see what the specs are, especially this particular LifePO4 battery specs. They also include a product manual. And as you can see, this is a 12.8 volt, 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate deep cycle battery, or what's referred to as a LifePO4 battery. The battery itself comes very well packaged. The thick cardboard container is very strong. You have styrofoam blocks on the sides, and I'm sure on the bottom as well, and the top, to help protect the battery. Your post bolts are included right here. It does have a 100 amp BMS, and for those of you that don't know, BMS stands for Battery Management System, and that helps to protect the battery from overcharge, over discharge, overcurrent, and short circuiting. They recommend a charge current of 20 amps. The maximum charge current is 100 amps. And the recommended charge voltage is 14.6 volts. The nominal voltage is 12.8 volts. and the nominal capacity is 100 amp hours. So your capacity at 20 amps would be about 300 minutes. The battery is also a very compact size, so you can group a number of these together to increase the amount of storage capacity that you have. It is 8.30 inches tall, 10.23 inches wide, and from front to back it is 6.61 inches. So it's very lightweight and very compact to fit in a number of locations. And like I said, you can also group several of these together to increase your capacity. And the service lifespan is pretty much the same as I've seen on others. They figure 10 years of service life in a healthy state. And they also figure 4,000 to 10,000 charge discharge cycles. And I've seen that pretty much with a lot of the LifePO4 batteries that are being offered now. And again, you can see that they've got some fold-up handles here, which make it super easy to carry. The instruction booklet that comes with the battery is very easy to read, very easy to understand, gives you every bit of information that you would ever need. And if you contact them, as you can see up here at the top of the page at service@lipuls.com, you can activate a 5-year warranty on this. And I'm not sure, but I think the batteries that I paid a lot more actually have less of a warranty. I mean, this instruction booklet is about as clear and concise as you can get. Right here, from showing you how to do a series connection to parallel connection, even right down to battery cable size. I don't think there's anything that they've missed at all. And as they requested, I'm going to put the link to their website in the video description down below. You know, and it may not hurt to check them out. I mean, what are you going to lose?